Welcome to AT Kitchens, and in this episode we are making vegetarian shepherd's pie with lentil and minced soy meat. We are going to start by cutting them in cubes and get them ready for boiling. Always make sure whenever you're cooking boiled potatoes, start them in cold water. It helps them to cook evenly. You can always speed up the process by covering it with a lid, but make sure to leave a little bit of space for the steam, or else you'll end up having water boiling out of the pot. We will now get our filling ready. For that, we will need to dice 1/3 of a Spanish onion, 1 diced carrot, soak 1/2 cup of orange lentils and leave it aside for later use. We are now going to need 1 diced tomato, but before dicing, make sure you core out the tomato just like as shown in this video. Next, we'll set a pan on medium-high heat, a tablespoon of olive oil, and when the oil is hot, add in the onion, carrots, and tomatoes. After a couple minutes, you'll add in the peas. We will now season it with the following: 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, pinch of oregano, pinch of paprika, salt, pepper. We will now add minced soy meat. Pinch of onion powder, pinch of basil, and now once the carrots are not crunchy anymore, you can add in all the lentils at once. Give it a good stir and cover it for 5 minutes. Use a fork to check for the doneness of the potatoes and get them ready by peeling them and getting them in a bowl. Heat up 1/4 of a cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of butter in a microwave. We are now going to season our potatoes with garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. Add in the milk and butter to the potatoes and use a fork or a potato masher to get them nice and smooth. And now for the next step, we'll need an oven dish. Add all the filling at the bottom and top it up with mashed potatoes. We'll now cook it in the oven for 4 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What we are trying to look here is the golden brown layer on top of the potatoes. If it needs to be in the oven for a little longer, give it 1 more minute. And here it is, vegetarian shepherd's pie with lentils. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching AT Kitchens and have a great day.